What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be repairing the headlights on my 2013 F30 235i, and I believe it's the same process for any other make and model as long as the headlight's plastic. And as you can see right here, there's a bunch of wear and tear on it, including haze and rock chips. So I'll be taking care of all of that, so let's get started. So I'm going to begin sanding the headlight with the 180 grit sandpaper. I'm going to move on to 400, to 600, to 1000, to a 2000 grit sandpaper. As we move on to finer grits, I suggest using some water to wet sand the headlight, since the water acts as a lubricant and it'll give you a better finish in the end. I'm going to use wax and grease remover to remove any contaminants before polishing the headlight. So for the next step, I'm going to compound the headlight using MEGUIAR'S Ultimate Compound with the TORQ's dual action polisher with the orange cutting pad. And also, if you don't have access to some of these items, I will link down some user-friendly DIY kits down in the description. To polish the headlight, I'm going to use MEGUIAR'S Ultimate Polish with a white foam polishing pad. For the last step, I'm going to use some ceramic coating to seal my headlights. And I bought ceramic coating since I was ceramic coating my whole car. You guys don't have to use the same products. You can use something like MEGUIAR'S headlight sealant and any other product to seal the headlights. And I will also link some good headlight sealants down in the description. To apply the ceramic coating, I'm going to put a few drops of ceramic coating on the applicator pad, and once I put it on the headlight, I'm going to wait for 2 minutes and then wipe it off.